Welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're taking a close look at the 4DRC YL059 GPS Drone, a feature-packed foldable drone designed for beginners and hobby pilots who want smart flight functions, long range, and versatile aerial shooting, all in one compact package. The YL059 is powered by brushless motors, giving you smoother flight, better efficiency, and longer lifespan compared to brushed drones. With GPS positioning and optical flow positioning, the drone maintains stable hovering both outdoors and indoors, making flying easier and safer, even for first-time users. Up front, you get an electrically adjustable camera with 180-degree tilt control, paired with 5G Wi-Fi FPV transmission. The front camera records 1080p video with 8K interpolation, while the bottom camera works with optical flow for precise positioning and steady indoor flights. Switching angles is smooth, letting you capture landscapes, tracking shots, and creative perspectives with ease. One of the standout features is the ultra-long endurance 7.4-volt battery, offering up to 22 minutes of flight time per charge. And when the battery runs low, or if the drone flies too far, the intelligent return-to-home system brings it back automatically, giving you peace of mind while flying. The YL059 also includes a full set of smart flight modes, such as intelligent follow, point-of-interest circling, custom route planning, and one-key takeoff and landing. There's even a lifting obstacle avoidance system to help reduce the risk of collisions during indoor or low-altitude flights. For extra fun, this drone comes with a built-in airdrop function, perfect for creative shots or playful flying. You can control everything using the screen-equipped remote controller or directly through the mobile app, which also supports voice prompts and real-time FPV viewing. With a control distance of up to 2,000 meters, multiple speed modes, headless mode, and automatic switching between GPS and optical flow, the 4DRC YL059 delivers a surprisingly advanced experience in a foldable, travel-friendly design. So if you're looking for a smart GPS drone with a powerful feature set, long flight time, and creative camera controls without breaking the bank, the 4DRC YL059 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.